Welcome to How to TV. As we hang uh, our last tutorial that we have for migrations of applications, now we're going to continue it on how to create some cluster. So using the elastic container services. This is equivalent to the Kubernetes. So if you're familiar with Kubernetes, so AWS has equivalent to this one, okay, a service. Okay, what we're going to do right now, we have our on-premise project, right? This one made in Node.js. Right now, we're going to leverage the use of ECS. Okay, so what we're going to do right now, we need to make a cluster. So I'm going to name it to app. Okay, I'm going to save it, and I'm going to use it over and over again, but in the end of the name, so I'm gonna change on it. Okay, so we're supposed to be using the serverless, which using Fargate, and we need to create. Okay, click to create, and then we'll wait for our cluster to be done. Okay, after this, we're going to create a definitions. Okay, without the definitions, we cannot create a services. Okay, service. Okay, so as for now, we don't have an active task definition. So let's create by clicking this create task definition. Okay, I'll name it task app, node app task. Okay, and then I'll make it the node container. The container should name container. Okay, and then this images URI that we used to create the other video that we have. So if you notice, if I'm going back to ECR, okay, and where we put our applications, there it is. So you can you can click this copy URI and then put it to the URI. Okay, and for the rest is private registry, course 8040, 8 for the fourth is 80, should be open. Okay, and I'm going to click next. So okay, the application environment would be a Fargate serverless, like we mentioned earlier, and then the operating system should be Linux. Our resources that we've been using for Fargate is 1B CPU and 3 GB memory. Okay, for the task role, we need to skip that. And then for the monitor, we need to leave it that way. And then next, and we are reviewing the creations of this task definition. Then we click create. Okay, after we create, so we can directly create a services, or we can also go to our cluster and then go to node, then we have a services here. Okay, so of course since he gave us the next step for us to deploy, services here. Okay, and then existing cluster, we're going to use the node app that we create, and then click this launch type, target latest services. The name of the services that we're going to do, we're going to create is same with what we name from every label that we have created. For me, I'm going to name it SBC. Okay, replica one desire, so you can increase it with whatever you like. And then the load balancing, I'm going to click for application load balancing, and then I'll name it. Okay, and name it that way. Okay, 80 target group, need to put a target group name. Okay, and shoot it, and that's it. So let me check again. Okay, and then when we click this create, it took too long for us to create. Just wait it patiently. Okay, alright, the node application services that we created is already deployed and successfully running. Right now, if you still remember that we create on-premise application here. Okay, what we're going to check right now if our load balancing is working. Okay, so if we go here to our EC2 and then load balancer, okay, and then check here. So node up LBS, or this is what we name for our load balancer. LB stands for load balancer. Okay, so you can check this one and then click this copy DNS, and then put it in our browser, and let's check. And here we go. So it's successfully created. So we check if it's working. Okay, so it's working. So this is the end of the part of our migrations of on-premise applications to our container services. And I hope that this video is very helpful to you guys, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Okay, and God bless.